Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about data abstraction and levels of abstraction. When we log in into a Gmail account using our credentials, do we get to know at which location our data is stored or how our data is stored? The answer is no. We just see our data, which is well organized in the graphical user interface, and other details are not shown to us. This is what is data abstraction, which we are going to see in this video. If you have not watched my video on what is database and DBMS, you can watch it here, and also there is a link in the description box. So let us continue. Let us start with the definition. Database systems are made up of complex data structures. To ease user interaction with the database, the developers hide the internal irrelevant details from the users. The process of hiding this irrelevant data from the users is called data abstraction. Let us understand the concept with the help of some example. Let us say we need to drive a car. To drive it, we need to accelerate it. There is a lot of mechanism behind the accelerator. It can be fuel injection or drive shaft, etc. But while we drive the car, we don't need to understand all that. We just need to know how to use the accelerator. All other things are not shown to us as they are irrelevant to us, and also to minimize the complexity. Same is done with the data. The irrelevant data is not shown to user. User can see only the relevant data which is required to him, which makes it easy for the user interact with the database. Now let us see the levels of abstraction. There are mainly three levels of data abstraction, as you will see in the following figure. First one is view level, second one is logical level, and the third one is physical level. These are the three levels of abstraction. Let us see each individual level in detail. Let us start with the physical level. It is the lowest level of abstraction. That means very less data is kept hidden at this level. This is where the data is actually present or physically present. We see the data in table structure, but actually it is stored in files. At physical level, we can know about data is stored in which files, or the size of the files, or the block of storage, or the memory used. It tells the location of the data, or at which server or at which hard disk is the data stored. So, this all information is present at the physical level. Database administrators work at this level. They decide the location at which the data needs to be stored and how to store the data. These all designing of database is done on physical level where the database administrator works. Now we will see the middle level, that is the logical level. It has more abstraction than the physical level, as we design the ER model in which we describe the different entities, which are basically tables. Then we have different attributes of that entity, which become the columns of the table. And also we have the relationship between different entities. This kind of view is present at the logical view. And the data is actually stored in files. But how the data is represented? It is represented in table format. In this level, we see the data in conceptual view, that is in table format. We can see the attributes or data present in the table. We can also find the relationship among the data. Programmers work at this level. They design the tables and attributes and also decide the relationship between the tables. Now we will see the view level. At this level, we have the highest level of abstraction. And this view level is how the data is shown to the end users. It describes only the specific part of the database. There are many different views of the same database. Let us understand with an example. Let us say we have a college website through which we can access the college data stored in college database. If the user is student, then user will see his personal details like name, address, mobile number, or fee details or course details, etc. This will be student's view. If the user is from teacher, then user will see his details as well as he can see and manage student details like students attendance, student results. This will be teacher's view. There will be a user who manages all things like principal. He can view his own details as well as he can see and manage the details about students as well as faculty members or the teachers. So his view will be different from the student and teacher. So depending on the user, the view will be changed. According to the user, it is decided which data must be shown and which data must be hidden from the user. This level is present to ease the user interaction with the database storage and implementation details are hidden from them. These were the levels of abstraction in database. So in this video, we have covered what is data abstraction and levels of data abstraction. Hope you all understood the concepts clearly. If so, please like, share the video and also subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.